Okay, what's up guys? It's kind of been a while since I've actually made a video, but in this video I wanted to show you something that I've been working on lately. And that would be this prototype of a James Bond style lighter. Well, not lighter, but watch. Now, this entire thing is made out of a 3D printed body that is made out of PLA with 4 steel screws holding it in place. I got this sheet metal guard right here to, protect myself from what this thing does, which I will talk to you about in a minute. White Velcro as a handle. I plan on making this thing better because right now this is just a prototype and I just wanted to show you guys it. But what this basically does is, this is an arc-driven James Bond shooting watch. Now, Jay Laser Video did something similar to this. He made a Kingsman watch. Because if you haven't seen the movie The Kingsman, they actually made a watch that shoots like darts to knock people out. This is just a prototype of a James Bond style lighter watch. And what it shoots is actually a variety of things. The thing that makes it shoot is this. This is flash cotton. It's more combustible than gunpowder, so it's what propels the little darts I have. And the darts I have are of 3 different varieties. One of them being, this is kind of like a blunt impact. It's a screw bit, so it'll like probably tear inside of anything that you're shooting at. So this is kind of one of the simpler ones. Now this one is one of the scarier ones. This actually is a sewing needle for like turkeys. Like you sew the turkey back together. Is very sharp, and I would not want to be shot with this. And the last one is one of the first darts I made, and that would be this one. This one is just a simple white wall nail, but it's made out of steel. It's got a sharp tip. So yeah, all these are just a variety of very scary darts, and I will be shooting them at that target. Now, I don't know how accurate this thing actually is, but we'll have to see. Now I'll just get this thing ready. Now, the loading process with this thing is quite simple. You just get a tiny bit of flash cotton. It's just like a tiny little ball. Now, you don't want to overpack it because this thing is scary as it is. You just kind of ball it up inside of the actual little steel barrel I have. Kind of poke it down in there. And then you can place your dart in the actual gun. And now this thing is loaded and dangerous. And even though I'm the one who built this thing, I am scared myself of shooting it. Primarily because of the fact that, you're kind of it's basically strapping a gun to your wrist. It's not a good idea. But I like to be innovative, so I'm just going to go ahead and try to shoot it. Oh, yeah, that was loud. Think of it as a really loud cap gun. It's very, very loud. So, yeah. So I'm going to reload this and come back. Okay, sorry for the dilemma. My dog was out, and yeah, she's not very fond of loud noises, so I try not to kind of bother her by that. Okay, now I'm packing it in again. This time I'm going to be using the scary pointy dart, the needle dart. And yeah, let's see how that goes. I already hit a 5. I don't know if you see that, but I'll bring it closer. I actually hit the board, hit the 5, and it's actually really, really deep inside of the thing. I didn't want to use this side because there's a ton of metal on it, it might bounce back. I don't feel like injuring myself, especially during this pandemic, you know, not that many hospitals open. Yeah, now it's back there though. Once again, I have the cotton there. I think I put a bit much in there, so the one scary thing about this thing is the fact that you got a chance of it blowing up in your hand if it's not made well. But yeah, now it's loaded. See, that's the scary thing, is if it accidentally went off, it could literally just shoot into my fingers. So I'm definitely going to have to make a safety for this thing. So let's try this. Hopefully this thing goes well again. God! Jesus. Now I actually don't see the dart. That my ears are ringing. That's how loud it was. Now I don't see the dart anywhere. I might have aimed a little bit high, I'm not really sure. I don't see the dart, I don't see these. I don't think it went through it because of the fact that there's no electrical tape anywhere, because that's what makes the good seal. Yeah, I definitely packed that thing a lot. Because it didn't go through it. It didn't stick into the wall because that's made out of metal. Now, I think it might have not been very aerodynamic, and it might have just bounced on. It might have just hit it sideways. But yeah, I have no idea where that thing went. It's not stuck in me, thankfully. So, yeah, that's a plus. But yeah. I might have aimed a little bit high, I'm really not sure. But yeah, now the next one I don't think is actually going to do much. But because it's like, doesn't have a pointy tip, I wasn't able to actually get this a screw with a pointy tip, so I'm just gonna have to try. I might go run and get a cardboard box instead of this thing, because this thing may have some like thick material, so I'll be back in just a sec. Okay, yeah, now I'm back. I got the cardboard box because I don't want to shoot at that dartboard. I'm very scared to, because of the ricochet. But yeah, I loaded up the screw dart, and yeah, I'm about to try to test this. I don't think I packed it as much as the last one, because the last one made my ears ring, it was that loud. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my safety glasses on, because, you know, I don't want to get shot. Yeah, now I'll just test this. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Yeah, that definitely worked. It didn't work the first time I pressed that button because of the fact that I don't really know why. This thing might be running dead, but I don't know if you guys can see that, but it like tore a big hole in it. Started screwing itself into the actual box. Now, it didn't go through because I didn't have as much flash cotton in there. But either way, it would still like tear a hole into your hand, because that would not be pleasant. But yeah, that's my prototype James Bond shooting watch. Hope you guys like this video. I'll try to keep it short for you guys. If you guys want a tutorial for this, I might make one. You guys would have to show me that you would actually want it. I'd say set a like goal of maybe like 50 likes, because my channel's still pretty small right now. So, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.